Hi, everybody. I'm going to give you the sounds of the letters, more or less in the order that I teach the letters, along with the nicknames and sometimes the sounds, because these nicknames and are not the sounds, but the motions help add a little bit of interest when you're teaching the letters. Teach just a few letters at a time, like one, two or three, or one a day, something like that. So this is I. D. By the way, is the hungry sound. We rub our tummy. S, the snake sound. Tiptoe sound. T, 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 t. A. Open your mouth nice and wide. Roo. This isn't it's roo. And that's the motorcycle sound. Put your helmet on and go roo, roo, roo. Just bite your lip and blow. L. O. K. It's kind of the coughing sound, so be sure you put your arm out there. K, k, k. B. Ooh, you. G. This is the drinking sound. G, 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 g. Z. J. E. E. N. This is the panting sound. Woo. This is the dog sound. Woo, 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 woo. Yeah, this is the laughing sound. Yeah. And by the way, p is the popping sound. So have fun teaching your kids the letters, and I hope this helps.